Iago Santos takes the early lead here in this 7-lap race. 23, Edward Show, skates in the fast team out of Salt Lake City. The Oval. In the second spot. Got number 14, that's Jonathan So, from Dominion. Fourth position, we have Dakota Mack, he's from Wyoming. See the blue and the red, skin suit. And it's Nana Metcalf. And Tess Connors, trailing. The inside pass, we've got a new leader, that's number 14, Jonathan So. Dominion is one of the many clubs from the Washington, D.C. area. I had the pleasure of being down there last weekend. We had the Junior Nationals held in Woodbridge, Virginia. 1 lap to go. One fastest to advance.